For today's video, we will show you how to send money from USA to India through Remitly. So let's begin. Now, if you don't have an account yet, this is the perfect time for you to create a Remitly account. And if you do have, just log in using your credentials. If you're using your mobile device, open the Remitly app or just go here at the web on remitly.com, log in your details. And if you're planning to send right now, this is the conversion US dollar. $1 is equivalent to 82.27 Indian rupee. All right. So there are no hidden fees whenever you start your transfer. And fees varies from country to country or region to region. Now for US dollars to INR, here are the fees. If it's below $1,000, it's going to be $3.99. And if it's 1,000 or more, that's zero fee for you. No fees on your first transfers with Remitly, and this is for new customers only. And again, these are the reasons why you choose Remitly. I have a Remitly account. I'm using it from time to time, and these promises are really guaranteed. Secure transactions, global network, and trusted worldwide. And don't have to worry because Remitly has so many partners in local India's remittance and banks. Here are these banks: SBI, ICICI Bank, HDFC, Axis Bank, Punjab National Bank, Canara Bank, and Citibank. Once again, if you don't have one, create an account using your email address. It should be a business email or working email. And through the website, remitly.com, or in the app, go to App Store for iOS devices or Google Play for Android devices. Select the currency, that is US dollars, going to INR, which is Indian rupee, and the amount you want to send and the delivery speed. Choose the money you wanted to deliver. And of course, be careful when entering the name and information of the person you will receive the money. Enter your payment information and select confirm to transfer to send. Once again, there's no fee for new Remitly customers when you sign up for Remitly, and you may be eligible to receive that on your first transfers. And for current Remitly customers, you're gonna check the pricing page to be sure, because the pricing are subject to change without prior notice. All right. All I'm gonna do is click send now. That's it. Create an account once again if you don't have. And that's it. That's how you send money from USA to India through Remitly. Thank you so much for watching, guys. We will see you all in the next one.